Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
I think all are present now. Prachi?
Sir, 50 students are present.
Okay. 2 students are not joined till now. Today we are going to discuss about solution of practical problem on maxima and minima. In exam point of view, today class is very much important, so be attentive in the class. In last class, we already discussed about the procedure to find out the maximum and minimum point of a function fx. Before starting today's class, I want to recapitulate the procedure. What is the procedure? Suppose y is equal to fx be a function. We have to find out the maximum and minimum point of fx. So first find out the value of dy by dx or f dash x. Next, consider dy by dx is equal to 0. On solving this equation, find out the value of x. Suppose x is equal to x1 and x2. Then x1 and x2 are called the extremum point, or this is also called critical point. In this extremum point or critical point, we have to check the function is maximum or minimum. Therefore, we have to find out double derivative, that is d square y by dx square or f double dash x. Then put the value of extremum point in double derivative. If d square y by dx square at x is equal to x1, means in the first extremum point this value is greater than 0, then we say that the function is minimum. If this value less than 0, we say that the function is maximum. If is equal to 0, then the function is neither maximum nor minimum at that extremum point. It means at x is equal to x1, if double derivative positive, then the function is minimum. If double derivative is negative, the function is maximum. If double derivative is 0, then the function is neither maximum nor minimum. So this is the procedure to find out the maximum and minimum value of a function. To find out the value, put the extremum point at the function. Let's start to solve some word problem. Question is, determine two positive number whose sum is 12 and product is maximum. Here given there is two positive number. Let the numbers are x and y. What is given? X plus y is equal to 12. We have to find out the maximum value of xy. In xy there is two variable. We know that in this process we can find out the maximum and minimum value of a function having one variable. There is two variable x and y. Now we have to change this into one variable. Given x plus y is equal to 12. In place of y, we can write 12 minus x. This is equal to 12x minus x square. Now the product changes to one variable. We consider this as f of x. Here f of x is equal to 12x minus x square. Now come to the procedure. In first step, find out its first derivative. F dash x is equal to 2l minus 2x. For extremum point, f dash x is equal to 0. That is 12 minus 2x is equal to 0. 12 is equal to 2x. This implies x is equal to 6. There is only one extremum point. We have to check at that point the function is maximum or minimum. So find out the value of f double dash x. Here f dash x is 12 minus 2x. Then f double dash x is equal to minus 2. Then put the value of extremum point at x. F double dash 6 is equal to minus 2, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means the function is maximum at that extremum point. Therefore, in this question, product is maximum. Product is maximum at x is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 12 minus x, that is equal to 6. So what are the numbers? Numbers are 6 and 6. See here, sum is given. Question is when its product is maximum. This is the answer. When both are equal, means x is equal to 6, y is equal to 6. If sum is given, then product is maximum if both the number are equal. Now we solve a problem from NCERT book. Question number 17 is a square piece of tin of size 18 cm is to be made into a box without top. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that volume of the box is the maximum possible? See, in the book, question is lengthy because there is hints how to create open box. What is the case question? There is a square piece of tin of 18 cm. Suppose this is a square piece of tin of 18 cm. We have to make this a open box. So we have to cut same size square box in each corner. Then we fold it. Now we fold it. This become a box without top. Anybody who do not understand the question?
सर
Yes.
सर वो थोड़ा फिर से समझा दीजिएगा सर.
Okay. Now I explain it practically. Suppose this is a square piece of tin. Now we have to change this into a box without top. So we have to cut a square piece from each corner. I cut square piece from each corner. Now fold it. See here, what is this? This is a box without top. Now all of you understand? Okay. Come to the question. What is the question? Find out the side of the square to be cut off. Now tell me, what is the length of open box? Length of the open box is this. Given a square piece of 18 cm. Let the side of the square to be cut off be x. then this is x, this is also x. So what is the length? What is the length? Length is equal to 18 minus 2x. What is the breadth? Breadth is also total 18 minus x, 18 minus 2x. We have to find out maximum volume. Therefore, height. What is the height? Height of open box is this. Height is x. What is the formula to find out its volume? Its volume is equal to L into B into H. So this is equal to 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into x. There is only one variable. So we write this is as f of x. Here f of x is equal to x into 18 minus 2x whole square. Now we have to find out the value of x where f of x is maximum. Now come to the procedure. First find out the value of f. What is the procedure? Here f of x is equal to x into 18 minus 2x whole square. First find out the value of f dash x. What is the value of f dash x? This is equal to 18 minus 2x whole square plus x into derivative of 18 minus 2x whole square is 2 into 18 minus 2x into minus 2. So this is equal to, take common 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x, 18 minus 2x we take out, this is minus 4x. So this is equal to 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x. This is f dash x. To find out the value of extremum point, we consider f dash x is equal to 0. Means these two numbers are 0. Therefore, we get 18 minus 2x is equal to 0 or 18 minus 6x is equal to 0. If 18 minus 2x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 9. If 18 minus 6x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. There is two extremum point, 9 and 3. See here. 9 is not possible because the length of the square piece is 18 cm. If we cut 9, 18, then there is no length. So this point is impossible. We have to check the function is maximum or minimum at x is equal to 3. Now find out the value of f double dash x. Here this is our f dash x. Then f double dash is equal to minus 2 into 18 minus 6x plus minus 6 into 18 minus 2x. Put the value of extremum point here, f double dash 3. F double dash 3 is equal to minus 2 into 0 minus 6 into 18 minus 6, that is 12, which is less than 0. Less than 0 means function is maxima. So this function is maximum at x is equal to 3. The volume is maximum at x is equal to 3. So what will be the side of the square to be cut off? The side of the square to be cut off is 3 cm. X is equal to 3 cm. So side of the square to be cut off is 3 cm. This is the answer. Clear? All of you understand? All of you understand? Any doubt? Okay, no doubt. Now I will ask you some question. Pritam, can you find out the maximum or minimum value of any function with one variable?
No, sir.
Very good. Because in some function we cannot find out its extremum value. If we consider f of x is equal to log x, then its first derivative is equal to 1 by x. Then if we consider f dash x is equal to 0, then 1 by x is equal to 0, which is not defined. In this case, we cannot find out the extremum point. So we cannot find out the maximum or minimum value of this function in this process. Or at a extremum point, if double derivative is equal to 0, then we cannot find out its maximum or minimum value. Next question is, Ganesh, now tell me how we find out the critical point.
By taking first derivative is equal to 0.
Very good. Next, Devidat, tell me, if sum of two positive numbers are given, then when its product is maximum?
जब दोनों नंबर इक्वल होंगे.
Okay. When two numbers are equal, then their product is maximum if sum is given. Thank you all.